Hey, Ray. Are you having a bad day? Why?
Because
Why?
I need Graham.
Yeah?
I need Graham.
Well, where is she?
She's in the ladybug bed.
In the ladybug bed?
No, ladybug bed. And I get a little bit of prizes.
Why'd you have a bad day?
Because I lost Graham.
You lost Grams? Where'd you last see her?
At the dairy.
Oh, she was at the dairy?
Mhm.
Where do you think she is now?
Now she's a ladybug festival.
Huh?
A ladybug festival.
The what?
Ladybug festival.
The ladybug basketball?
No, ladybug festival.
The ladybug festival?
Mhm.
Really?
Mhm.
Where are you going?
I'm going to ladybug festival if she's here.
You're gonna go to the ladybug festival?